Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with a haul. So, Waffle Flower. I bought a bunch of stuff from Waffle Flower. Some of this stuff, I think it was all 25% off. I just went for it. Why not? I just short. So these come with dies, and what I like about it is Waffle Flower, their packaging is just ready to go, because that's what takes me the most time in my life of cleaning up my craft room, is dealing with the packaging and organizing my stuff. But this already comes packaged, so all you have to do is just take it out of the plastic, and their plastic actually is much better than most of the plastic that stuff comes in. And then you have everything here. So what I normally do is I will take the matching die and I will put it, I'm going to put this in here. And this is, I think this one, yeah, this one is, I believe this was on magnet. I hope. It feels like magnet. Yeah. If it's not a magnet, I got to put it on magnets. But I think they all come pretty self-contained, and then I could just put them all together in one little thingy. But this one is called Happy Fall. It's very cute. This one is called Be Him. And you can like make your little Be Hims be really cute. And this one is Be Her. And so there's a reason why you couldn't mix and match, right? You couldn't take the her bows and put it on the him bows, and right, you can make a her panda, you can make a him owl. So really cute. And then I got this one, which is, you can use this, I've seen them use this to make like little cafes, or do you know what I mean? Like you can build a little something. It's a grid panel, and you can use it to build a little apartment. You can use it to build a little cafe, along with the storefront builder dies. They can kind of work together to build that. So I did get that. I'm excited about it. It's good to use other products. Gets exciting. From, I think it's, no, I think I get this. Okay, so it's from Scrapbookcom. I believe this stencil and stamp I also got from Waffle Flower. But one of the, I think it was the apartment builder, I got from Scrapbookcom. This one is a stencil and stamp lighthouse. So you've got your stamps, and then you also includes this stencil so that you can do some fun stuff with this stamp. So it's kind of like my new jam. And then these social icons stamps, I thought that was kind of cute to have. And it came with, because of Scrapbook.com, this was the free gift, which is the Picket Fences Kylie Girl. And so I got that, and that's kind of exciting. And then from eBay, I got this big thing of stuff. But I am not going to keep all these, because I really only wanted a couple of them. And so, you know. Anyway, my eBay lot came with this stamp set. A lot of them are by Olivia Rose. So it's this one, which is called Winter Wonderland. So that one I don't mind. This one, I don't mind it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. I think I am. I'm pretty sure I have a door die already, so we'll see. This one right here, which is the one I really wanted, but it's a lot smaller than I thought. It's called Pocket Tag. This one, which is a gingerbread. I really actually kind of like this gingerbread house. We'll see how that goes. This one, which is called Snow Dome. This one, which is called Festive Elements. And then this one, which is called Christmas Joy. This one, which is called Layered Christmas Tree. This one, which is called Catching Snowflakes. I really debate about keeping this one, but you know what? It's what I talked about. I don't like so many little tiny pieces. I'd rather stamp it out or use a stencil. I'll just be honest. Robins and Hats. And this one right here, which is a wreath. And so I'm going to have to debate what I'm keeping out of this, because I didn't want all of it. We'll have to see. So from Altenew, they have free shipping. So I did buy something I've had my eye on, which is this Craft a Flower Cosmos die. I've had my eye on this one for a while. So this one's pretty cool. I don't know if I have something that's gonna hold on to this. I wish that they would supply you with a magnet that goes with this, because like you need a magnet sheet for this, all these little pieces. But this one's not too bad in terms of the little pieces, because they only have a couple like actual little tiny pieces. You could definitely make a flower with that. Make a flower like that. So not too bad. And then I got this one for lazy days when I don't want to make my own galaxy background. I can buy the Celestial paper pack by Altenew. It gives you that option of the lovely galaxy without having to do a galaxy, because who's got time for that? I do, but not all the time. Then I went ahead and I bought this slimline punch board. So it says create slimline cards and coordinating envelopes. Apparently you can also create them and the envelopes in the mini size as well. So I'll have to play with that and see how that works. This is the slimline punch board. And then I've got a couple of things from Lawn Fawn, because I pretty much bought the entire Lawn Fawn new release. It's probably one of my favorite ones. And I bought them from different places because a lot of places had freebies. So like part of it is just kind of all over the place. I think I bought from like 3 or 4 different places. So if you spent $60, this was the free gift from Frank Garcia. It's a 12 by 12 sweater weather remix collection pack. I mean, it's like, what the heck? So it's pretty amazing freebie. Okay, so I got that. And then what I bought from Frank Garcia was I did get the goat. You goat this with the die. And then I did get this one, which is adorable. I really, really loved this time's release. I just ended up splurging and getting the whole damn thing. I've been doing a lot of subbing, so why not? Very rainy day. I got the die from another place, so we'll see. And then I got the Tiny Spring Friends, which is adorable. And I like the little kids because they can, that looks like a little dad or something. They can go a lot of different in a lot of different things. So it's really cute. It's tiny, and you get these tiny little thingies. So I love it. I'm going to be playing with that. So I think that's all I've got to share with you today. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Create the Heart.